Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese Writing. Hey, it's Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese writing course. In this lesson, you will learn a few keywords from our conversational lesson. Greetings. This is how the Chinese character 我, which is I or me, came to be. The identification of oneself and others came from a hard time like a war. In these pictures, you will see a person holding a rake-shaped weapon defending oneself. 我, I or me. This is how 我 is written stroke by stroke. You will see this word 我 in the following sentences. 我是 Rose. I'm Rose. 我家有5个人. My family has 5 people. We have mentioned in our introduction video that this word 人 can be on its own and it means people. It can also form a radical. We call it 人 radical. This 人 radical combined with other components will form different words, but they are all related to people. This is a person using an arrow attacking enemies. This is how the word 你, which is you, came to be. This is how 你 is written stroke by stroke. You will see this word 你 in the following phrases or sentences. 你好, hello. 你是 David 吗? Are you David? This is how the Chinese character 女, which is woman or female, came to be. This character 子 used to mean son. Later on, it was extended to mean all children. Look at this picture. It's interpreted that it's a really good thing for a woman to have a child. 好, good. This is how this word 好 is written stroke by stroke. You will see this word 好 in the following phrases. 你好, hello. 好吃, yummy. This character is pronounced as 日 and it means the sun. The reason there's a line in the middle is to differentiate this word from other similar characters like 口, which is mouth. 日 can also be used as a radical. This word is 正. It means upright or straight. The sun is right on me. 是 is. This is how the character 是 is written stroke by stroke. You will see this word 是 in the following sentences. 我是 Rose. I'm Rose. 你是 David 吗? Are you David? Now let's review. 我 I or me. 你 you, singular. 好 good. 是 M is R or was were. Now it's time for a culture tip. Chinese characters can be traced back to over 5,000 years ago. The earliest one appeared on bones or turtle shells. Do you see a familiar word here? That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!